Hello students, in the previous lectures we have studied about metals and non-metals a lot. We also have studied about the basic physical properties of metals and non-metals as well, and today we are going to study about the chemical properties of metal. So, reaction of metal with oxygen. Reaction of metal with oxygen is very common process. It is a process of our day-to-day life. We all have seen how rust develops over an iron piece or an iron rod that is left outside in rain or that is being in contact with water. There are some other examples also, like a green colored layer forms over a copper, or we all have seen a silver ring after being used every day becomes some blackish. So what actually happens? These metals are actually reacting with oxygen that is present in air. So let's study about it. In case of rusting of iron, the iron reacts with oxygen present in the air and moisture and develops rust. So what happens in the rusting of iron? Iron reacts with oxygen that is present in air and moisture and form rust. What rust is? It is hydrated iron oxide. So here is the chemical reaction. 4 atoms of iron reacts with 3 atoms of oxygen and 2 atoms of water to form rust, that is hydrated iron oxide. We all are familiar with rust. And in case of rusting of copper, what happens? The metallic copper reacts with oxygen, carbon dioxide and atmospheric moisture and develops a green colored coating of copper hydroxide and copper carbonate. When metallic copper reacts with carbon dioxide, oxygen and moisture that is present in air, it forms a green colored coating over it, which is of copper hydroxide and copper carbonate. So here's the reaction. 2 atoms of copper react with an atom of water, carbon dioxide and oxygen and forms copper hydroxide and copper carbonate. Also in case of tarnishing of silver articles, like I said, if someone in your house is wearing a silver ring, it develops a blackish coating over it after some regular use. So what actually happens? The metallic silver reacts with hydrogen sulfide or sulfur present in air and get tarnished. Here's the reaction. Silver reacts with hydrogen sulfide and oxygen and gets tarnished. So these were some basic reactions of metal with oxygen. Now we will study about some basic reactions of metal with water. Sodium is very reactive metal. We all know that. Sodium is very reactive metal. So it reacts with water and leading to the production of hydroxide and hydrogen, sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. That's why sodium is not kept in water. So it answers a question why sodium is not kept in water. Sodium is not kept in water because it is a very highly reactive metal. It reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. That's why sodium is kept in kerosene, not in water. So let's see the reaction. Here's the sodium. It reacts with water. And what it forms? Sodium hydroxide and liberates hydrogen. Also, magnesium also undergoes the reaction with water to form magnesium hydroxide and liberates hydrogen. Here's the reaction. Magnesium is reacting with water to form magnesium hydroxide and liberating hydrogen. Again, iron, it also reacts with water, but it's a very slow process. Iron reacts with steam. What steam is? It is actually water, hot water, to form hydrogen oxide and liberates what? Again, hydrogen. So there's one thing that you may also have noted, that whenever a metal reacts with water, it liberates hydrogen. Let's see the case of sodium, magnesium. iron, it always liberates hydrogen. So that's the point, whenever a metal reacts with water, it liberates hydrogen. So guys, today we have learned about some chemical properties of metals, and in the next lecture we will study about the chemical properties of non-metals. Thank you.